This is Kevin Sue. I'm in a group with Joe and John. Our section number is A07. I was in charge of doing part 1 of the quantum well and heat diffusion project, so let's get started. The first two lines, clear all in CLC, are to clear any variables that were previously stored or anything that's in the command window. Before starting the while loop, we set I equal to 0. Therefore, the condition the loop can be I is more or equal to 0. At the end of the code, we either break or increment I to start the code again. Here are the default parameters that task4 asks for. All these input arguments are basically the same. They all ask for the user input, and if the user doesn't input anything, it jumps to the default parameters up here. And for solutions, round x naught divided by pi is basically the maximum solutions. If the user enters a solution that's larger than the maximum solution, it would display an error and automatically jump to the maximum solution. This line sets x using linspace from 0 to the maximum value and separated by the given intervals. This would be our left equation, cotangent, and this would be our right equation, square root x naught squared divided by x squared minus 1. And these two divided should give you 1. And this is the precision the user entered previously. This basically plots both functions on one graph, and this is the axis, so it doesn't go out of bounds. And this is basically the legend for it. And task 7 asks for the user for the nth interval, and if what the user entered equals to 0, the program would stop. That's what this break is for, and this displays the solution. Task A repeats the program basically. It asks the user, would you like to start over? And if the string compares to yes is true, then I would increment, meaning that the while loop would start again. And if it's false, or if n is equal to no, and that's true, then the program would display, alright, I'm done then. And let's see it run. It's asking for intervals. Let's just jump to default. This should give you a graph. And 3. Yes. Default. Why not default? 2. No. That stops the program. Alright, that's it.